In the forestry and woodworking industry, the remarkable progress of the globe's swiftest and most remarkable chainsaws operates at an entirely new echelon. These colossal chainsaws have revolutionized the speed and efficacy of wood cutting on an unparalleled scale. Kindly subscribe to our channel to stay updated on these chainsaws more frequently. Let's commence. The versatility of chainsaws also extends to landscaping tasks, providing precise cutting capabilities to maintain the aesthetics of outdoor spaces. Chainsaws equipped with anti-vibration systems reduce operator fatigue, ensuring a more comfortable and safer experience during extended periods of cutting. This exceptional chainsaw, renowned for its unparalleled speed and potency, revolutionizes the logging industry by spotlighting cutting-edge technology for swift wood processing, efficient and precise even in cold conditions. Chainsaw manufacturers prioritize user-friendly designs, ensuring that even those new to woodcutting can operate these powerful tools safely and effectively. Style 241 misses at this speed takes less than 3 minutes to cut through a 30-year-old oak branch. If you find these saws working effectively, please subscribe to our channel to motivate yourself to create more interesting videos. Battery-powered chainsaws offer users the flexibility to work without the constraints of cords, making them convenient for remote locations or areas without easy access to power sources. The Stylemis 241 cm chainsaw is a multi-tool that features M-tronic electronic motor control. It offers comfort, durability, and extended longevity. Specially designed for forestry applications, it is widely used in firewood making. Chainsaws with longer guide bars and higher horsepower are favored for large-scale logging operations, showcasing their ability to handle demanding cutting tasks in industrial settings. These are chainsaws designed many years ago. Their operation requires 2 people. Chainsaw enthusiasts and professionals alike appreciate the continuous innovation in design, power, and safety features that enhance the overall usability of these cutting tools. Chainsaw safety features, including chain brakes and kickback protection, prioritize user well-being, highlighting the industry's commitment to minimizing risks associated with this powerful cutting tool. Chainsaws, the unsung heroes of the forestry industry, easily cut thick boards, making them indispensable for winter. Electric chainsaws offer a quieter and eco-friendly alternative, ideal for residential use, while still maintaining the cutting power required for various woodcutting applications. Arborists rely on specialized chainsaws for tree care, enabling precision pruning and trimming while ensuring the health and longevity of trees in urban and natural environments. As we witness the incredible capabilities of the world's fastest chainsaws, their impact on the forestry industry is undeniable, heralding a new era in efficiency and sustainability. Turn wood. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support me.